Hello, my wonderful and beautiful supporters. Welcome back again to Susan's Kitchen, Susan Best TV. It's good to have you guys back. So in today's video, we are going to be making two types of Nigerian soup. Yes, guys. One is egusi soup and the other one is black soup. Like I call it banga black soup. Because we are going to be making a combination of banga and black soup. Yes, guys, so these are the things we're going to be using. I'm going to be using some shaki and some cow leg and momo and some piece of goat meat, roasted goat meat, guys. I'm going to be adding my salt to taste. And here is the thyme, and here is my onions, already chopped onions. Here is my 2 seasoning cube. Here is the curry powder, and I'm going to be adding hot water to it. So in case you'll be following my video, you see at times I parboil my meat, at times I don't parboil it. Depends on how the nature of the meat looks. So at times I just parboil it to make me have like, okay, I feel like, okay, let me eat it this way. So now we are ready and we're just going to put it in the gas. So guys, here is the leaves I'm going to be using. I'm using scent leaf, oziza leaf, bitter leaf, pumpkin leaf, and the middle one, these are the banga seasoning. You know, it comes like we want to make banga soup without black soup. You need those ones to make it, you know, to make the ingredients complete. So I'm adding mine also like this because I'm going to be making banga black soup. So I'm going to be adding a lot of salt to remove the sand. You know, when you use your salt to wash your dry leaf, trust me, there will not be sand in your leaf. You need lots of salt. Don't worry, it won't be salty because at the end of the day, we're going to put hot water, not warm water, guys. Hot water. So that all the sand in the leaves, they will all go down. And we seal it. That was it, guys. Now we're putting hot water. We're going to leave it to rest for at least 20 minutes. So it will make all the sand in the leaf go down. As you are putting the water, stir it very well so that the hot water and the salt can wash the leaves very well. So now here is the meat. Time for me to add the little chicken I want to add to it. You know, any whatever you want to use, guys, it's optional. I just like to have chicken, most especially in my egusi soup. Yes, I love to have this chicken, even if it's not much, but you know that kind of taste now. Guys, you need to feel the aroma in my kitchen right now. So this is my the fish fried with air fryer. Yes, I use the air fryer to fry my fish. I didn't use oil, just air fryer. You can also oven it, so anyhow you want it. So here is the main sauce, banga sauce. All right, I'm going to be using a small cup because we are not this kind of much soup type. So we're going to be using a little cup. Guys, trust me, if you have not made your banga this way, try it and you will see what is inside. You know, just put water. Don't worry, it will not make your soup be too watery. At the end of the day, it will be thick to your taste. So just put water, leave it to rest, and you will see it done. So here is my leaf. Now it's ready. So I'm going to seal it. You know, put it in the seal. add much water, but before you do that, make sure you remove the top. Don't let your hand touch the down, if not you're still going to pack the sand. So this is after blending, and now we are going to seal the banga sauce. So wait for it, guys. See the down, you see, look at it there. So imagine you didn't do it this way, and you just like turn everything like that. You see, all these things will enter your food, and it will look as if your food is not clean. There is sand in it. You won't know that because of the banga. You didn't like add water first. So that is my crayfish, and this is the pepper. So give it a good stir. Stir it until it mixed. Then here is the leaf. So don't worry about it. It's so going to be thick. Wait for it, guys. So I'm gonna just be using one seasoning cube because I use we're gonna use, because we use the meat water, and I used seasoning cube before, so we're not gonna be adding much, so you don't have too much Maggi in your food. So now we are done with the black soup. We allow it to cook while we start the egusi part. So guys, let's get started. So here is my red oil, palm oil. So that is what I'm going to be using today. So if you have seen my video of that I used to make egusi before, I use both oil, red and vegetable oil, but today it's just red oil. Okay guys, so here is my chopped onions, and before that I added a little salt to taste. So before I added my chopped onions, I will allow it to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Then I start adding the other ingredients to it. So this one today I'm going to be using tomato paste. Yeah, I will add tomato paste, just stir it a little bit, allow it to cook for about 2 minutes. Then I'm going to add the one I blended, the blended one, which is a little tomatoes and lots of onions and crayfish. You know, you can't make soup without crayfish, guys. So those are the things I blended together. So I'm gonna be adding it to it after this. Here we go. These are the things I blended together. So now we are adding our blended. You can see I blend it myself. You know, I don't like to have this already blended one. I like to do things on my own, like to see what I'm using. So I blend it myself. I use 2 cups. So it's optional, depends on the quantity you want to make, determine the cups you want to measure. So I'm going to just mix it, then add the spinach leaf to it, then stir everything together before I'll add water to it. So before I blended this melon, I first fry it a little bit, all right, because I just want to have different taste, like different look. I like my soup to be different. Like when you test my egusi soup, when you test it again, it will be different look and different taste. So that is why I fried it a little. So this one is gonna be different from the one I made before. So if you see this one, you will see the difference between this and that. And when I'm making another one again, it's gonna be different too. And I'm going to be explaining to you guys how I make it. So after this, I'm going to be adding half seasoning. Yeah, just half, not full, because of the the mixed stock I use. So I don't want it to be like, you know what I mean. So guys, the aroma is so amazing. You need to come and join the table, guys. And another thing, guys, please do like our video, help us to share, and if there's any other thing you want us to prepare, you can also write in the comment section and we will be doing it. So thank you so much, and I hope to see you guys in my next video. Thank you all, both my new and my old supporters. I so much love you all. Thank you, and enjoy the rest of the video.